Gold Oak kids, this is Mr. Ramos. I am the PE teacher over at the middle school, Pleasant Valley School. But today I'm going to make a little video so you guys can get your PE going even though you're at home. We are going to practice throwing a ball against the wall with two hands and different ways of doing so. But before that, we need to warm up. And we're going to do 3 little moves to warm up. The first one to help warm up our shoulders is going to be a crawl. Like if you're doing a bear crawl or a baby crawl. So a baby crawl, your knees are going to be on the ground. And what I want you doing is just crawl back and forth. This will help warm up your shoulders for throwing. Now, if it's too easy, you can always lift your knees off the ground to make it a little bit harder. So just go back and forth around 10 times. Second thing we're going to do is what I like to call right knee, left knee, which I do all the time with the older kids too. We're going to lift one knee and touch it with the opposite hand. Lift the other knee and touch it with the opposite hand. Right knee, left knee. Right knee, left knee. Right knee, left knee. About 10 times each side. Again, this will help us throw because when we throw, we need to step and throw often with the opposite hand. Not today though, because today we're throwing with 2 hands. Now, third movement we're going to do is a lunge. When we throw, we always have to move our feet. So we're going to practice that by doing a movement called a lunge. And here's how I want you to do it. I want you to step and touch the ground and come back. Step with the other one now and touch the ground and come back. Next one, step and touch the ground and come back. And step and touch the ground and come back. I'm not the one warming up here, so you guys do 10 on each side. Now, for our throwing, there's basically 3 ways to throw a ball with 2 hands. And we're going to use them all. So the first one is throwing the ball from our hips, like an underhand toss. Okay? So the keys here for all of them is you're going to step as you throw. And I'm going to throw them against the wall so it bounces back to me. Okay? So I'm going to step and throw. Now, you can catch it on the bounce like I did, or you can let it roll and then catch it. Whichever one seems easier for you. And again, with the other leg, step and throw. Step and throw. Every time I step, I push with the back foot, and that makes the ball go faster. One more time, I push with the back foot as I step, and I throw the ball at the same time. Now, the other way of doing it, it's like they do in basketball from here. It's a chest pass. But the feet do the same thing, okay? But I'm going to push the ball away instead of tossing it. So from here, again, look at my feet. They're doing the same thing. Step and push. Same thing. Step and push. Now, remember, some balls bounce more than others. The bouncier the ball is, and if you're using like a basketball or a soccer ball, if it's really, really full of air, it's going to bounce more. If it's less full, it's going to bounce less. And the bouncier it is, the harder it is to catch on the way back, okay? If it's kind of deflated or less bouncy, it's going to drop to the ground and roll to you, which might be easier. You guys pick what you want to do, though. Now, the last throw we're going to do is the one that will probably go the farthest. It's the one they use in soccer, where they step and throw overhead, okay? So, both hands are going to go together forward. I'm going to step and throw. And then with the other leg, step and throw. That one did not bounce back because I'm throwing at some cabinets and it landed on top. Now, if you just throw at your wall, it will always bounce back. That's it for today's class. I want you guys to practice that as much as you want, right? Practice all 3 though. Try them out. Pick the one you like the best and go at it for a while. Or you can just keep alternating all 3. Whatever seems fun. Make sure to do a little warm up first. Remember some crawling, some right knee, left knee, and some lunges. Hope you have fun with this. I'll make another one soon. Bye guys.